Hi, I'm Jason Seitz, and this is the 60-second study session. Today's topic, the bleeding response. Two things happen when we start to bleed. If I open up a vessel, first that vessel will spasm. It'll clamp down to prevent blood flow out of it. The second thing that happens is we'll start to have a clotting cascade. Through a number of chemical mediators and reactions, we'll start to build what's called fibrin, and it's like this interwoven mesh that gets sticky. The platelets will start to get sticky, and then the platelets will stick onto that mesh in order to kind of perform a big net and clog the area and make a blood clot. And blood clots are good when we're bleeding out. We want to prevent those. So when we're trying to stop hemorrhage and we put pressure on a wound, that's what we're assisting. We're assisting both mechanics. For one, we're compressing down on that wound, which makes that vessel smaller and helps with that spasming. We're also making the vessel smaller so there's less fibrin that needs to go into the system to scab it over and prevent the blood flow. So good compression is very important. It's also why we need to be careful when we have a patient that's on blood thinners or antiplatelets. If they're taking aspirin or a blood thinner to thin the blood out, those platelets don't get sticky and we don't create that fibrin netting very well. So if they cut themselves or have some sort of trauma and they're on an antiplatelet or an anticoagulant, we should expect to see more heavy bleeding, and we need to be more cognizant of how we control it. Thanks, we'll see you next time. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video and you learned something from it, check out our test prep program for the NREMT at guardiantestprep.com.